Hi all, today I'm going to be making some night lights. Welcome to Electric Tracker Creations. I've seen a number of channels do these. The first one I think I saw do them was Michelle from Glitz and Glitter, and I've seen her do a few sets and they look awesome. And so I decided I needed some. I bought a set of grimoire stickers from Temu. There's 6 different sets that I bought. From those sets, these are what I've decided to put on the night lights. The black one just looks phenomenal, and I'm going to put silver glitter with it. So bear with me while I have a go at doing this. Let's start off with some of the silver glitter. I'm going to speed you through a lot of this. She puts it in the middle and then runs it to the edge. Looks like I need a little bit more than I put on. Don't want it to be too thick because we need the night light to show through it. So the idea is that you take this all the way to the edge and that basically it will level itself. As long as I'm not too aggressive, it won't run over. After curing it, I give it a quick tap to test it. This is not a UT-DTF sticker. And we want to put this in the middle. Does that look right? Nope, that's a bit off to the side. Let's see if I can pick that up and move it. Nope, I am doomed to forever have it slightly off to the side. That's fine. I'm going to do all of these to this level first, and then I will go over and add top coat because I'm trying to decide if I want to just do clear layer over the top or if I want to add a little bit of white sparkle to it. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is this. I can't decide if I just want the flame or just the fox, or if I want both, and if I want both, which way round they should be. I actually think just the fox in the middle, and I'm going to put him on green. So take a new cup, add some UV, it's about enough I think. Add some green glitter. Stir in the green glitter and have a panic attack that you think it's too much glitter. Pour it in the centre, and as with the other one, just take it to the edge. Sorry, I should say what I'm resting it on is a silicone block that I made with some leftover silicone that I had. It's useful for this, but I also made it to block up moulds. Seems to be okay. Put this sticker on. Again, I want this to be in the centre. Oh, that actually looks quite cool. Just there. Press it down. One of the things I forgot to say before was you need to make sure these are really clean and that there's no fingerprints or anything on them. I just wiped it with a baby wipe and 99% alcohol. Pull it in the middle, run it to the edges. This one is going to be the alternative to the silver with the black cat. Black with a silver cat. And then we're going to cure it. So this is the sticker. Beautiful little cat that's going on this one. Beautiful. See? Isn't that cute? So these are the stickers that I used, and I got them off of Temu. And you can buy them as individual packs or them as a set. I bought them as a set of all 6 just because I thought they were truly awesome. The link is below in the description if they're still available on Temu by the time I actually post this. The resin I used was the Vida Rossa UV resin clear hard type. I got this off of Amazon. Again, wipe over the top of this to clean it, make sure there's no horrible sticky fingers. And because the red fox was on green, I am going to do the green tree on red, well, orange. I think the only one whose sparkle I'm a bit disappointed with was the black, but I'm hoping with the top coat that will be sorted. There we go. I think that looks quite nice. Right then, back to the first one. And I think I've decided I just want clear UV over the top. I don't want to add any more sparkle. That's probably far too much, but we shall see. Okay, so this one, the fox. I've sped up putting on the top coat as I found it hard to see if the resin was going over the edge. Ooh, it's so sparkly. Yay, it's cured. Adding the top coat has really made all of these lights sparkle so much. I know I shouldn't be surprised, but I am. I think that's cured enough now that I should be able to push these off. I mean, I'd prefer I didn't get them on there in the first place, but this was my first attempt, so I'm still pretty pleased with this. Would I have preferred not to have run it over the edges? Absolutely. Please wait around for the glamour shots at the end and them working in the dark. These are the finished products. There's the fox on the green background. I mean, you can still vaguely see through it, which was what I wanted, so that the lights would still shine through. And that goes with the orange with the world globe. I don't know if you can see how sparkly these are, but I think they're amazing, especially as a first attempt at these. And then I have the black on silver, and then the white on black, the cats that match. And as you can see on this one, my very first attempt at top coating, not necessarily that great, but by the last one I think I'd got a little bit better. So you can improve and quite quickly. And yeah, there we go. Very beautiful, very sparkly, and I'm going to enjoy having them in my house. Thank you for watching my channel.